Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be in the operations field where you're submitting orders to vendors, among other things. Of course, we're going to dive all in. Just real quickly, I want to ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and please share with all your friends and family. The goal of this channel is to have everyone living their happiest, healthiest life working from home. And this is a really good paying job. The company is Shelf Engine. They have 48 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an operations coordinator. Now, please note this position can be based out of their Seattle office. Otherwise, it is remote for the United States only. But Shelf Engine is on a mission to reduce food waste through automation. They use the power of artificial intelligence to provide real-time forecasting for food retailers and vendors across the United States. But they're looking for somebody to work with their operationals team, ensuring that their model for outputting orders that exceed the customer's expectations. So some of the things you're going to be doing is doing a variety of tasks to ensure great customer experience and accurate information on their platform. You're going to submit orders to vendors on behalf of the customers through a variety of different methods, making sure these orders are submitted timely and accurately. You're going to track and update any data in the systems, reviewing and analyzing this data for any discrepancies and errors in an effort to correct it before it affects any orders going out. You're going to create reports as needed for the operations team and stakeholders. Now, they're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody that is a data nerd, though, somebody who really knows how to use a spreadsheet, so like those Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Someone who is naturally curious and analytical. Of course, you've got to have great time management skills. And they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of field, either operations, logistics, analysis, or grocery. But pay for this position is anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. And they do offer 100% employer paid premiums for your medical, dental, and vision insurance. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.